Hello, in front of me I've got Genesis Thor 420. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. To activate keyboard shortcuts, press Fn button, and firstly you can lock the Windows key. Next, you can activate media player, decrease or increase volume, or mute volume. You can skip backwards and forward, play pause. Enter control center of the media player and enter email. Next you can go to home, switch to pulpits and enter calculator. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.